Today, we're taking you inside Camp Nou to see the incredible progress up close. From nearly finished corner sections to rising radial beams, the transformation is remarkable. Sandwich panels and structural updates are shaping the stadium day by day.
Stay with us to witness every exciting development happening this week.
Today is the most important update of the corner section. The corner section is nearly finished. The left sector is fully complete. Only a few slats remain in the upper right corner of the right sector. About 8 slats are left. Supports and anchors are in place behind the diamond, shaping this corner. Cranes, lifting platforms, and slats are ready, so this section will likely be completed today. Some stacked panels near the corner appear to be sandwich panels. We move to the lateral area to check progress. At the lateral zone, the 4th radial beam has been installed along with the 4th pillar. This is impressive progress considering recent rain and wind. All compression ring components are now in place. The 5th radial beam and pillar are expected next, likely continuing toward Gol Sur. Sandwich panels are being installed on the stair structures near future elevator doors. The first upper panel is already in place, with more panels ready nearby for installation. Workers are active inside the structure, aligning panels in a gray chromed finish. Several lifting platforms are also operating above. Most glass panels in the lower sections are already installed. Additional panels are being handled and positioned by workers. Technical details of glass sections and supports continue to be managed carefully.
Radial beams progress, corner view. From this viewpoint, the 4 radial beams are already installed. It will be impressive when the entire stadium is surrounded by these massive beams and all compression ring components. The 4th radial beam and pillar are the latest additions, showing clear progress despite recent rain and wind. At the corner, many large panels and slat supports are in place. Some lower supports remain to be installed, but work is progressing steadily. Anchors behind the diamond are ready, preparing the area for upcoming lamp placements. Supports for slats have been installed in the central and right sections of the corner. A few lower supports still need placement, but work continues steadily. Future lamp placements are ready to proceed as anchors, and supports are now in position. Sandwich panels are stacked nearby, ready for upcoming installation in lateral structures and stair areas. This preparation ensures quick progress for the next phases of construction.
Several large chrome tubes in the Tribune are ready for installation, similar to other stadium sections. Workers are active on elevator structures at ground level and scaffolding. Sandwich panels are expected soon. Upper scaffolding also shows activity with structural adjustments underway. A diagonal beam looks recently treated. In the first diamond, no new glass panels have been added. Missing panels remain at rear corners. The second diamond near the store has many large structural pieces stored for future installation. Glass placement here remains unchanged. Lifting platforms are active between brackets, with workers around the tower crane. No new anchor points or slat support joints yet. Black painted beams from a week or two ago are ready. In the corner, all glass panels for the first overhang are installed, and platforms work behind pillars. Sandwich panel installation shows clear progress. Upper panels are being aligned by workers. The lateral stair structure is fully enclosed, defining elevator openings. More panels are stored nearby. A trailer has brought long structural pieces, adding fresh material for upcoming weeks.
That's it for today's Camp Nou update. We've seen the latest progress from sandwich panels to corner completions. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more updates. Stay tuned and join us next time to catch all the action as the stadium continues to take shape.